Hey coders, welcome to Swift in 60, where we break down Swift concepts in under 60 seconds. Today we're diving into if statements, your go-to decision making in Swift. Let's dive on in. What is an if statement? If statements let your code make decisions based on conditions. Check this out. We have a if statement here. If sunny is true, the code inside the if block runs. Easy, right? But what if it's cloudy? We can actually use an else statement to handle that. If the condition isn't true, then the else statement runs. Need to check more conditions? That's where else if comes in. Here we check if it's too hot, nice, or chilly. Multiple conditions handled with else if. For a quick recap, we can use if for true and false decisions, else for the opposite, and else if for more complex conditions. Simple and powerful. That's it for if statements in 60 seconds. Dream big, code bigger.